baby. Yep. Two wheels. This guy's struggling over there. Come on, pop that wheelie here. Lay a patch. Lay a patch, why don't ya? Yeah, I would be doing more tricks, but whatever.